Hey everyone, my name is Kennedy. I'm here to give you guys an honest review of this podcast equipment. This is the Professional Live Sound Card. I'm so excited to use it. It comes with a wired condenser microphone, so that is super fun. I'm super excited to try this out. I've been waiting for this to come, so let's open it up. There's a couple different things that this comes with. This comes with the actual microphone itself, which is really nice. It feels very high quality. And then it comes with the actual soundboard, which is a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but I actually prefer it that way because it's not super bulky. Okay, so I have all of the podcast equipment set up, and there are several different things that you need to know. First of all, there are a bunch of different outlets here for you to connect different things, but what you're supposed to do is connect the actual charger to it by putting it in this slot right here. And then there's also a slot where you can put the iPhone connector in. So you can actually, this comes with it, you can actually put it to your PC, your iPad, your MacBook, or your phone if you just want to get the podcast material just like directly to your phone, which I will give you guys an example of. But there's also a little headphone section, and it does come with headphones as well, so you can hear what you're doing as you're recording, which is super helpful as well. They're just basic little red headphones, so I'm just gonna put those in. And then finally, there is the plug for the microphone. So lots of different little things that you can use, but once you plug it in, this little green light comes on and you just hold it down. And once you hold it down, it does turn on. Super cute. And I can hear myself right now, right away, but the closer the mic is, the louder I am. There are a bunch of different functions that you can use with the microphone as well, so I am going to plug in my phone and show you guys what it sounds like. Okay, so you guys are plugged into the microphone right now, and this is what it sounds like. It sounds really good, but I wanted to show you guys me changing the functions up a little bit. If you press this button on the bottom that says mode, it can change the effect of your voice. Right now it's an echo sound, as you can tell, but let's try changing it.
So this current mode is a female voice, and obviously since I'm a female right now, it just sounds like a higher pitched version of your voice, but I would be really curious to see how this sounds on a male. I think that would be really funny. But let's try the next one.
This one is a male voice, and obviously you guys can hear that it is making my voice lower, so that is the whole function of that mode.
And this is like a chipmunk voice. It is very high, a little bit higher than the female voice.
And this is a monster voice, which I think is really funny. So it basically is just another thing lower than the male voice.
This is acoustic mode, which is just the regular voice mode. So this is my voice normally. So those are all the different functions, but there are also different ways that you can use the soundboard. For example, I can turn my mic up. It is louder, and the lower I go, the lower it gets. There's also buttons on the bottom to mute it. So if I press this mute button, I get muted. And there's also different ways that you can connect music to the soundboard as well. And you can press play and pause there and turn it up and down, and your monitor as well. Once you connect it to a computer, then all of those functions are available. There's also an option where you can denoise your area if you are in an area where it is loud. There's also a light mode where it can change the different light. It just basically changes the color. Overall, I think that this is an amazing product. I also really like that it has a stand as well for the microphone. It really does feel like I'm like a professional influencer or like a podcaster. If you guys are interested in sound quality, if you guys are streamers or if you are influencers and you are looking for a really good starter kit for a microphone, I think that this would be very helpful. The quality is really nice. I love that it comes with many different functions, but the board is also relatively small, but really easy to use if you are a beginner to stuff like this. I think that this is an amazing product, and I can't wait to use it more in my everyday life. So overall, I'd highly recommend it.